Hello guys, welcome to techystack. Hope everyone doing well and safe. In last session, we learned what is an string and what is the integer. Today our session will learn what is a boolean and array. So first of all, boolean it will store the two values. Either it might be the true or false. And where we can use it can be used in the decision making structures such as we can use conditionals. If conditions we can use and loops also we can use. Now we'll see array. So array is a collection of data and it is a fixed. Once you fix that array, we cannot change anything on that. And the index of array, it will start every time from 0. Now I will declare the one variable with the array, temp array. In this temp array, I will declare this. So every time make sure that array will start with open and close cover brackets. I'm declaring x, y, z, c, and letters. So here I declare alphabets and numbers. I will declare one more alphanumerical as well. It will consider. So now array is declared, and here we are getting error because we need to convert. Go to this variable panel and change the type of array to array of string, or it we can take object. Anything is fine. For example, if you are taking integer, then all should be in number formats only, but in my case I have multiple, so I will take it as array, sorry, string. So once this is done, we can see this red color pop-up created. Now we'll see output. Already I told now array every time index will start from 0 onwards. For this, how we can check? If I want to see the ABC, then my index is 1. Let me run this. So temp array of 1 is ABC. So I declare here ABC. So I declared XYZ is 0, ABC is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 is a 2, and while something is 1, so it's 3. So now, for example, if in case if I give here number 4, if in case, it will throw the error. We'll see what type of error it will throw. So it's throw that index was out the boundaries of array. So actually how many data here we declared? So 0, 1, 2, 3, but we given 4. So that's why we got error. So make sure that while once you declare that array, so we can pass the within the limit itself. So if I give 0 to 3, so there is no problem. So now I will give the 3. And this. So it's worked. The next data type is dictionary. Dictionary is a combination of keys and values. So here keys won't have any duplicates and values may be the duplicates. For example, if you take some numbers, employee numbers, it's having individual numbers, but name is made the duplicates. Now we'll see how to declare the dictionary here, taking the assign activity and creating one variable as just dictionary and go to this open advanced editor and create a new dictionary. So initially I told you, so dictionary is a combination of keys and values. So one object is a key and another object is for the values. So this we can change of string, comma string or integer, whatever it may be. So as of now, I will both consider as object and from open parenthesis. So in this parenthesis, we need to declare the variable. Sorry, not the variable. We pass the data. So I'm taking as numbers. I'm mentioning as one laptop name here and after that I will take one more number 89 and I will make it as laptop. So these two things as of now is enough. So once you click on this, so we can see the some error here because we need to change the data type. Go to the variable panel and change the variable type. So basically it won't available here. So go to here and type the system dot collections dot system dot collections dot generic dot dictionary. So once you type, so you can see the things. So here we need to select the object because I declare both as an object. So now click on this OK and that red color pop-up will be grayed out. For me, I don't know why. So cannot be converted as string. So everything is corrected here. So just click on that OK. Still, if you are seeing any error here, red color icon. So again, go to advanced editor here and remove this entire and recreate this. It will work. Okay. Now we'll see how to read the data. So for example, here I will take one message box. So I'm reading the data from the dictionaries. So let pass this some text dictionary dot, sorry, text dictionary of. So dot to string. I don't know what I number I given here. Just I'm copying that number. So I given 56 number. So once I run this output, so once I run this spot, so we can see the output. So in 567, what we declare as is. So we can see the same output. Sorry, we don't want to keep that double quotes. Let me change that to normal. So 567. Let me run this again. So we can see the output as is. In this here, what we declare, we can see the same thing. Here we declared 567 as is. So the same output we see in the output message box. Next section, we'll see how the data tables will work.